good Lord find peace within you and forgive you for whatever happened. And till we meet.
I see it. I see it.
I would love to say good afternoon, South Africa, but I can't anyway because of the sad passing of former Stellenbosch midfielder, Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder, Bafana Bafana midfielder, Jayden Adams, who just featured for Bafana Bafana in the World Cup. He played some games during the World Cup, and it's very sad that we learn of his passing this afternoon. Jayden Adams was a very good player. Even to say was is painful because he was only 25 and we were looking forward to seeing the best of him. And like we saw during the World Cup, he played his heart out here in the Champions League where Sundowns were successful to win their second star. He played a pivotal role, but to learn of his passing today, it was very, very painful and still is. Ngithi nje uNkulunkulu engathi ngaba nabo abomndeni wakhe, engathi ngaba nomndeni wakhe kade besanda kushiwa na ugogo, akabe nabo abaqinise, aphinde uNkulunkulu abe neMamelodi Sundowns yonke, abaphathi, abadlali, abaxhasi, abalandeli, abe nabo bonke. Ephinde uNkulunkulu abe nabadlali akayidlala nabo kuStellenbosch, nabantu akakhule nabo, nabangani bakhe, ukuthi engathi uNkulunkulu engaba nabo, ngoba ibe kuhlungu kakhulu indaba yalomfana and uzolimala ngesikhathi esezama kakhulu ukudlala ibhola, indlela akadlale ngayo kuligi.